Listen, Muhammad, we got the project is starting soon, and we got to raise a lot of money this Ramadan. And listen, we're going to do some damage accounting. It's time to pay the piper.
Is this the one? This is the last one.
This is the year. This is the year, inshallah. I see a lot of damage in the Musalla.
Oh.
Oh, there it is. Let's start right here. Let's start right here.
Look at that hole, man.
Okay.
This got to be the Sunday school.
Sunday school?
This has to be the Sunday school.
Yeah, it looks like a little kid's elbow right here, right?
Oh, let me try my elbows a little bit.
A little bit bigger. Oh, there's some crayons right here.
We got to clean that wall. That's professional work.
That's
professional work.
We got to bring a professional contractor for this. How much? Sunday school. Okay, Sunday school.
Dr. Ibrahim.
We got to talk to Dr. Ibrahim.
You need to talk to that guy.
I think, what do you think, 5,000?
Nah, it's professional, bro. We got to get people out here.
Okay.
At least 15.
10. It's a Sunday school. It's kids.
12.5. No, 12.5.
Okay.
That's a good price.
$12,500 donation from the Sunday school. Alhamdulillah,
actually, let's take it out of their budget.
Okay, let's do it. Yeah.
They
have a lot of money anyway. Okay.
Yeah, they get a lot of money from you guys. Oh. Give them a lot of money, brother Idris.
Wow,
look at that, man.
Yeah, you know what they call this? They call this the soccer corner.
Man, whoever was standing goalie here must have sucked.
Yeah, that wasn't a good goalie, man. That's definitely a soccer ball.
That's Omar's foot right there.
Omar, yeah.
He definitely kicked that ball from all the way over there for sure.
Omar loves soccer, man. Look at this. This is like, they try to carve a goal into the wall,
That's expensive to fix.
This is going to be another professional job, man.
That's Hamza Mahsoub right there. He likes to kick him low.
Hamza Mahsoub has got that killer lower shot. So we got to talk to Dr. Hassan.
Also,
we got to talk to Dr. Nether. You know, Omar loves soccer. Who else? Samih. We got to talk to Murat Abe.
He's always here.
Murat Abe.
His dad's
on the list. He's going to be.
Man.
Oh, and you got to remember Yahya, Dr. Masjid's son. Oh, he loves soccer. What are you thinking? This is expensive, man. What are we talking?
It's expensive, but it's definitely the lowest. I'd say around 10K.
10K?
From everyone total, 10K.
So 10K, 2,500 each. 2,500 each. Okay, let's put that $2,500 donation.
Yep.
Man, mashallah, we're gonna fund the whole gym like this. Okay, bismillah. This place looks so nice, man, but I feel like something's being hidden here. Oh, I still see it. Okay.
You see it still? You see the Sayyam and Hamza incident?
The Sayyam and Hamza incident. Look.
Wow.
Man, even after we fixed it still looks terrible.
Man.
This might be the single biggest hole anyone's ever made in this masjid.
We might have to change this whole portion.
We might have to change the whole wall.
Oh, look at that.
That's probably from that incident.
Holy crap.
I think we're going to have to bring somebody from out of town. This hole was so big. I think Hamza throws Sayyam.
He threw him like from
all
over there,
the way through, right into it.
Right? Okay, yeah. No. We already fixed it, but we still have the other half.
Yeah, but so
15,000? 15,000.
7,500 each. Sayyam
and Hamza. That Sayyam guy, he was on New York Times.
Yeah, he's a famous guy. I'm sure he can afford this.
He definitely afford it.
7,500. Okay, I think that's all I see here, Muhammad. You see?
What do you mean?
I think that's pretty much it,
sure?
man. Yeah, I think so.
Don't you think there's anything under here?
That's a beautiful banner. There's nothing under there.
I know who broke what's under here.
Wait, there's something under there? Let me see. Whoa, that's a $20,000 fix, right? Maybe 30,000. That's a huge.
30,000.
At least 30,000, don't you think? Who did that? Do you know who did that?
Yunus and Adam Fayed.
Yunus who? Yunus, my son?
Ajarid, your son.
No way. Yunus had nothing to do with that. No,
dude, that guy.
He's so well behaved.
They were wrestling. Listen, they were wrestling and Yunus just chucked that guy at Adam. Same way, Sayyam.
Oh.
This is the wrestling corner.
I think maybe it's closer to 5,000.
No.
I think it's 5,000.
You know this is 30,000.
No. Maybe 5.
Listen, I know you work hard. 30,000. 30,000. 30,000.
Time to pay.
Don't try to steal from the masjid. 30,000.
Time to pay the piper.